Hello, Derryfield. Welcome to the Matriculation Assembly of 2020. Welcome to our students who are here virtually from China, Massachusetts, and New Hampshire. Welcome to our students who are on campus. Welcome to our phenomenal administrators and tech and buildings and grounds staff who work so hard all summer to make it possible for this year to unfold the way it is. Welcome to our extraordinary teachers who are reinventing so many different aspects of their teaching to fit in our new health guidelines, but also convey their love of subject, their love of their disciplines. Welcome to all our new teaching fellows, teaching assistants, teaching interns. We need you, and we hope that you learn something about education every day that you're here at Derryfield. And thanks to the wonderful staff that makes all of this possible with all of their work helping to run Derryfield in every way. Welcome to the Matriculation Assembly officially. Matriculation is a welcome. It's a bonding officially of new students to the institution. You will always, new students, belong to Derryfield School. Our distinguished alum who's with us today, our board chair, Brad Benson, of the fabulous class of 1978, is a living example of how once you come to Derryfield, you belong to Derryfield through your whole lifespan after being a student as an alum. And those new upper schoolers who are with us today will be choosing a gift during your advisory, and that gift is a symbol of your connection to Derryfield. So hopefully that keepsake will be special for you. Matriculation is also a celebration of the love of learning. It's a celebration of the life of the mind. Derryfield represents this belief in all that it does. Our trustees, volunteers, donors, faculty, staff, parents, we are all deeply invested in your education. And an evidence of that is certainly the mammoth effort that's made to carry on this education virtually and on campus in spite of a pandemic. So let's take a moment to talk about the love of learning. Well, I have always loved school and loved my teachers. From preschool to second grade with Miss Mountain, to middle school math with Mr. Hamilton, and 10th grade ancient history with Mr. Trocchio, to my freshman seminar at Dartmouth with an incredible elderly professor named Professor Winky, imagine that name, to adolescent psychology with an esteemed professor, Dr. Carol Gilligan at Harvard for my master's, and onward and onward. And I've loved the books that I've read. Many of the books that I've read in school have become a part of me, and I wonder if that's true for you. For me, Plato's The Republic, Toni Morrison's The Bluest Eye, Shakespeare's Macbeth, Camus' The Flies, the essays of Locke and of Hobbes, just to name a few, they still bubble up in my consciousness. They still come to me in moments where I have this understanding of the moment I'm in, and that understanding is enlightened by those great authors that I read while I was a student. And as you think about this new year, I hope that you get excited by what you get to delve into, what you get to swim in, which is new ideas. Studying literature and history will give you some insight into the patterns of human interaction and human existence. That while individual differences are interesting and relevant and important, there are aspects of human experience that can be studied, understood, guarded against, or appreciated that are really significant and so fascinating. Languages teach you a secret code, but they also give you a view into cultures that let you see daily life in new ways. Studying math brings you the joy of unlocking puzzles, while science enables you to peek at the structures and the systems that undergird the physical world. And visual arts bring you to express your creativity, your love of color, of form, of beauty, to see anew, while the performing arts enable you to communicate important themes and messages to other people. There are so many ways to see, so much to finally understand, and so many stories to build your empathy and your wisdom. There's a gift also beyond just the love of learning and scholarship and all the wonderful authors you'll read this year. And that gift in this very extraordinary and distinctive year is the gift of focus. To learn deeply with very little distraction. To make deeper connections and friendships. This year, we embark on a year unlike any other, but one of the elements of it is that there's not as much to distract you in the outside world. And so your school relationships will become more important, in part because you're seeing fewer people than you have in other years. And you'll have more concentrated time with fewer classmates. And so your chance to really get to know the folks in your classes, your chance to really make friendships in advisory, for example, or on your team, they're greater than in the past. This year, instead of being overscheduled and overstimulated, you may take time, you can be more thoughtful, and you can enjoy what is in your life, your studies, your teachers, your classmates, deeper learning, and deeper relationships. That's what I wish for you this year. Happy New Year, and welcome to Derryfield.
Good afternoon. I'm Brad Benson, class of 1978 and current chair of the Board of Trustees. I am happy to welcome you back to school and officially open the 2020-2021 school year with a matriculation assembly today. I've had the honor of being part of this tradition for the past 5 years, and it's always one of the highlights of the year for me to be able to open the school and welcome the new 6th graders and all the other new students into our auditorium. This year, we're doing things a little different, and later in the assembly, you will see the video of all the new 6th graders. As I reflect on Derryfield and welcome you back, I am continued to be impressed with the resiliency, determination, and thoughtfulness of this community. It is truly impressive that we have the privilege to be on campus every day with all our friends and colleagues. My concern for all of you, which I am hopeful the seniors will set the tone, is that given the new normal, rules, and restrictions that have been created because of COVID-19, you will all be able to find a sense of belonging in a community that you cherish like I do. Being part of this community has meant the world to me, and I'm hopeful it will to you also. With the discussions I've had with Dr. Carter, I, like the other faculty and staff, are so impressed with the maturity you are demonstrating and your new daily habits of coming to school during the pandemic. Together, we will make this an unforgettable year. As many of you know, I am passionate about the rivalry between Team Maroon and Team White. And although I would really like to discuss this further, I'm taking the high road this year and conceding that even though Team White will dominate, we are one team, Team Derryfield. Never has this been more important than now. Thank you for your time. Welcome to Derryfield. I truly hope you have a great year.
Hello, everyone. For those of you who don't know me yet, my name is Ellie Small, and I've been elected to serve as your all-school president this year. Though this is far from the senior year I expected, I found comfort through great friends, keeping myself educated, and of course, lots of hikes with my dog. Time away from the normalcy of life has given me a lot of time to reflect and grieve the losses that we all have and will experience this year. I have, though, recalled the few things that even a pandemic cannot take from us. How lucky are we to have friendships that are so easy to miss, but so strong in the face of adversity? How lucky are we to have faculty who worked until all hours of the night this summer because they recognize the importance of in-person school? How lucky are we to have spaces and programs that can be adapted to meet any challenge that comes our way? So, you're right. This year is far from perfect and far from ideal. But as a lover of this school and this community, I refuse to allow our year to be wasted. For me, this year will be filled with last moments as a senior, but I'm hopeful that we can make it filled with meaningful firsts. So yeah, I'd love to eat lunch with my table of best friends every day, but now I have the opportunity to make brand new connections that I otherwise would have missed. I'd love to spend time in between class in the senior forum, but I will never have a tardy unexcused because of busy hallways again. I'd love to crowd in Miss Besh's room and talk about my weekend. But hello, she finally has the space she deserves. So the bottom line is, yeah, this is not the year that anyone wanted. But if our attitude is the only thing that we can control, we better make it pretty fantastic. This community always has been and always will be held together by a deep care for each other. This year, that's all the more needed. Even with a mask on, smile at your teachers in the hallway. Help a new kid find their class. Heck, all the rooms have been changed. Help a senior find their class. We're gonna need some extra patience this year. So keep a smile and a mask on your face and enjoy your year.
My name is Jackson Lacrita and I'm from Merrimack.
Hi, my name is Sophia Ziozzi and I live in Manchester, New Hampshire.
Hi, my name is Anna Perez and I'm from Manchester. Hi, my name is Keith and I'm from Manchester.
Hi, I'm Blake Radwan and I'm from Concord, New Hampshire.
Hi, my name is Nella Mitchell and I'm from Bedford.
My name's Andy Kennard and I'm from Window.
And my name's Jackson and I'm from Manchester.
Hi, my name is Phoebe O'Shaughnessy Welsh and I'm from Manchester.
Hello, I'm Giorgio and I'm from Manchester.
Hi, my name is Anjali and I live in Bow.
And I'm from Merrimack, New
I'm
Hampshire.
Madeline Tulsa from Derry, New Hampshire.
I'm Theodore and I'm from Candia, New Hampshire.
My name is Justin Billigus and I'm from Amherst, New Hampshire.
Hi, I'm Kelsey and I'm from Bedford, New Hampshire.
Hi, I'm Tyler and I'm from Hooksett, New Hampshire.
My name is Bill and I live in Nashua, New Hampshire.
My name is Ariel and I'm from Bedford, New Hampshire.
My name is Raquel Markuzik and I live in Bedford, New Hampshire.
Hi, my name is Dan Roy and I'm from Amherst.
Hi, my name is Blake Moskoff and I'm from Kentucky. Hi, my name is Eli Olaf and I'm from Exeter, New Hampshire.
Hi, my name is Emma Farr and I'm from Bedford.
Hi, I'm Gabriella Reynolds from New Hampshire.
Hi, my name is Julia Small and I live in Bedford, New Hampshire. Hi, my name is Kaylin Magnuson and I'm from Bedford, New Hampshire.
Hi, I'm Sean Shetty and I'm from Hollis.
Hi, I'm Thomas Cohen and I'm from Manchester, New Hampshire.
Hi there, I'm Miss Murphy. I'm teaching Asia East and West and Environmental Studies this year in the upper school, as well as coaching field hockey and lacrosse. I am originally from Maryland, go Ravens, and have been working at a boarding school just up the road for the past 6 years. I'm really excited to get into this fall weather, going hiking, canoeing, kayaking, all the outdoorsy stuff. And I'm really, really thrilled to be joining this community and getting to know you all.
Hi everybody, I'm Stephen Pankratz. I'm moving here from previously Boston area. Before that, my wife, my son and I were down in Arizona where I taught for 3 years at a little tiny boarding school doing physics and wind engineering and stuff. And before that we were in China for a while, so we moved around a lot. Chasing the dream and teaching. And I come to you guys to teach STEM. So I'm going to be doing one section of physics, and then I've got like a middle school STEM class and 2 upper school STEM classes. I really like cooking. I love Magic the Gathering. Come talk to me about Magic cards. Video games, they're all right. And like one other thing. Oh yeah, STEM. I love that stuff. So if you want to talk technology, futurism, that kind of thing, I'm always around. I live in the Science and Innovation Building. Sometimes I go home, and I look forward to seeing you all this year.
Hi guys, I'm Miss LeBlanc. I'm the new math teacher. I will be teaching statistics and advanced algebra this year. I am super excited to be a part of the Derryfield school and Derryfield community. I have lived in Vermont for the last 10 years. I grew up in Connecticut, and I absolutely love northern New England. I really enjoy being outside and going hiking, so if you know any cool hiking spots for me to go check out, let me know. And one thing I'm really looking forward to this year is being a part of this community and working with all of you guys and really getting to know each of the students here at Derryfield.
Hi, I'm Miss Cheatham, and this year I'm going to be our on-campus counselor for the upper school and the middle school and our upper school basketball coach.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jed Silverstein. I'm the new head of upper school here at Derryfield. I've got a couple of little kids in my family. I've got a standard poodle named Rufus that I hope you'll meet soon. He's very affectionate. I've been working in independent schools since, about 20 years or so. I've taught mostly middle and upper school English and history and lots of philosophy courses and theater and academic foundations or study skills courses. And I am super excited to be at Derryfield because I have been hoping to work at a school that aims high, that has high personal development and academic standards, but also has at its core a real sense of kindness and compassion towards all members of the community. And so for that reason, I think I've landed in a really good place. I'm in 207, this is my office, and all I really can do is ask that at some point you knock on the door and introduce yourself. I'm pretty good with faces and names. I'm not great on foreheads, so stay masked. But hopefully over time I'll get to know you a little bit, and maybe we can even pull up a chair on the porch here and have a conversation.
I'm Miss B, a proud graduate of the Derryfield class of 2005, back on campus to join the philanthropy and engagement team, to coach some yoga, and to advise in the 10th grade.